I knew FAU was the right place for me when I realized that most of my classes are relatively small, so I got to have that personal connection with the professors. My major is ocean engineering, and FAU helped me achieve my career goals by sending out internship notifications. So now over the summer, I get to work with underwater drones. My advice for an incoming student would be, you're gonna get knocked down a couple of times. You just gotta keep pushing forward. And if you need help with anything, FAU has a bunch of resources to help you out. It was important for me to attend FAU because it allowed me to pursue my dream career and also get that college experience as well. I chose to get more involved in student organizations because I wanted to be surrounded by more like-minded people, as well as career opportunities. My favorite place off campus will have to be Game of Axes, which is like 15-20 minutes away from campus. So it's like a axe throwing / bar place. My favorite place on campus will have to be the rec center. After a long day of classes or even just a bad day, coming here really helps with my mood.